Hello everybody, it's Mindy and welcome to my channel if you're new here, or welcome back. Today I have some diamond painting items to show you from, let's see, I wrote it on here, Fansells. These are from Fansells. I love working with Fansells. They have fantastic things. That's why I do my fantastic Fansells finds, right? So with that being said, let me also let new people know I do a variety of other things here on my channel. I love to show my crochet projects and yarn acquisitions. I do a live on Friday afternoons, always working on a fun project if that's of interest. I also love books and discussing books. I do that on Tuesday nights with my friend Brandy from Mystery of Diamonds. So if you are new here, peck around on my channel, look for some of those things. I have some nice playlists set up and see what you might enjoy. But for today, let's look at some diamond painting items. I have a couple of unique items here. So let's get to it and let's show you what we have. All right, let's just start with this guy right here. All right, because I had to with the cow. You know, I just had to with the cow. I hope your day is utterly amusing. Isn't she cute? I mean, look at, who wouldn't love a cow with glasses and flowers? And she's super, super cute. All right, so we have 8 rhinestones, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 special drills. So we're gonna have a lot of special drills on this. All those flowers. Okay, what else is a special drill here? Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Nope, I'm wrong. They just stopped with the numbers. Okay, we got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 rhinestones and 4 special drills. That's it. Okay, showed you the toolkit. Let's look at the drills. F. I don't know. Don't ask me. Get some interesting things. Oh, I see. It's a separate bag. Okay, I got it. All right, here we go. Let's get rhinestones first. So we have clear, teal, purple, pink, green and gold, a beautiful blue, a magenta, a light champagne color, getting to kind of like a tan, a purple, and another gold. Here's the special drills. We have our orange teardrop looking claw ones. These are beautiful right here. These are going to be those flowers up here. Not all of the flowers, just some of the flowers, but those are pretty. Wow, those are pretty. They're pink, red, green. I don't even know. Beautiful. A little bit of gold. Those are the centers of the flowers. Some white pearls. And then we had these guys right here, F. I believe it's just more of those. Maybe they decided that you needed more of those, so they put some more in. I don't know why we need more. It looks like there's plenty. We only put them around those flowers and those flowers. Okay, we're going to have plenty of those. I'll just say we're going to have plenty of those. Okay, but there she is. She's adorable. All right, next. Oh, I just opened one of these for another unboxing. But it was pretty cool. I will say it was pretty cool. So I got another one. Ooh, I like the pattern on this one. All right, look at it. It's a ladybug on a flower. She is cute. Probably, no, that would be upside down. Anyhow, she's cute. I love her. So this box, this heavy duty plastic box opens up and it has these sections inside where you can put things. Now, you can use this for diamond painting. You could put tips, you could put wax, you could put whatever, you could put pens, you could actually put drills in there if you wanted. And this is portable to take with you. You could use it for sewing, you could use it for crochet, you could use it for whatever. And the way that it clasps is secure, and you could travel with this and your items inside would be very protected. I love these. I didn't realize I had gotten 2 different ones from 2 different companies, but I did. It's okay. It's okay. You know, I'm sitting here right now thinking I could set one up for diamond painting projects. So when I travel, I'd have all my goodies right there. I could set the other one up for crochet. Oh my goodness. All right. What are our drills? Clear rhinestones, a pink, black, red, gold, green, blue, orange, or salmon color. Here's our special drills. Some pretty faceted gold, some beautiful faceted marquees in blue, some smaller ones, these pretty pinks. I think that's it. Yep, that's it, folks. Okay, so I think these are awesome. I think they're practical, useful. As a matter of fact, look, I want to show you something. I know this because I did this with the last one I got. Here you go. There, take your project with you. Okay, next, what do we have next? Okay, this was unique. This was an item, it's fairly new, at least I just recently saw it. And I got one. So let me show you. Lots of stuff in here. What do we got? So there's our toolkit. And in our toolkit, you see we have one clasp, not two, but one. And we have a chain. Okay. Here's our drills. And here's our piece. Now, I thought these were going to be just a little bit bigger, but they're kind of, they're palm size. Look, palm size. So, of course, I got the M. So it's supposed to be like, it's just a one keychain type dangly. You do put drills on both sides of this, though, which is nice. Super cute with the little bunny. So, of course, they had many, letters of the alphabet. I don't know if they had all of them, but, most of them. So, all Easter-based. Easter eggs down here in the bunny and the M. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Love it. All right. So let's look at our drills. Drills. Lots of rhinestones, but my guess is you're not going to use very many. There's just lots and lots of colors. All right. So we have clear, brown, pink, orange, red, green. Oh, a very pretty blue, a pretty teal. Got another blue and a purple, and here's the special drills. Just a few small marquees. Now, I don't know what the difference is going to be really, except these are a little more crystally looking than these. They're both clear. I don't know. Anyhow, super cute and very useful. I think they're extremely useful, especially if you travel with your crafts. And I do. So, I like that. Then, of course, good things always come in boxes. You know me and my boxes. I love my boxes. Almost every one of these I have opened lately has a piece of foam in it, which I love that. Little added protection for the acrylic piece that's inside. Here is our holder. Film on both sides. Make sure you take that off. Okay, sometimes you just get things like that. Number 3 is C, number 4 is P, and number 5 is R. Okay, all right. Well, let's look at it and see how that pans out. Oh, this is pretty. This is really pretty. I call this my Valentine tree. Look at all the hearts. Hearts. We've got birds up here. I love this. This is pretty. Wow. Wait till we look at the colors. I like it. There's a film on the back. Take the film off before you put it in your holder. That is super pretty. Let's look at these colors. This is interesting. I've never had one come where every drill is written on. But let's see how this works out. Okay, so A is like this orange color. So let's see. There are no numbers on this. This is true. A, T, P, U, R. No numbers. Okay, so somehow the packaging got packaged with numbers, but the piece is all letters. So 1 is A. All right. D is blue. I don't even know where I saw any D's. There must be a few on here somewhere. Otherwise, we wouldn't have them, right? Am I right? Am I right? D. Yep, right here. There's a couple right there. There's probably a few more. Okay, so that's what they've done. Then we have, oh, that's it for rhinestones. Those 3. Wow. Now we have pink teardrops, red, blue. Are these? Yeah, they're all like a teardrop. Okay. Clear and pink faceted. So it's pinks and blues. I love it. Love it. Well, that's interesting. I hope these don't rub off. No, I don't think they're going to. No, I think they're on there pretty securely. And if you put it back in the package, nothing's going to happen to them until you use it. So put them back in there. We have this guy. We have the little carrying case, your little supply case. We have our little bitty little M. And of course we have Ms. Fancy Cow. The Ms. Fancy Cow girl. She's a cow girl, right? A girl cow. Anyhow, that's what I have for you today. Thanks so much for watching. Please do all those YouTube things like hit the like button and subscribe and things like that. Hitting that like button really, really helps a creator out. Share a video from time to time. Check out memberships if you're into that sort of thing. That's another way to support. That's a financial. The other things are free. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. And I'm going to get going and get some more work done. It's a work day for me. All right. Talk to you soon, everybody. Bye.